and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. We are the Tribo Kamindanawan Cultural Dance Troupe, a village showcasing Mindanawan culture. And reminder to all of our guests that later, 5 p.m. onwards, we will have our far show at Tribo Kamindanawan Bantawan area, and that is located behind Davao Provincial Park and Zoo. But this time, you will witness some glimpse of the indigenous dances of Mindanao. Malay is the dance that emphasizes the agility of the upper body, the rhythmic bounce of the shoulder, and simultaneous alternating waving of arms are the basic movements of these type of weddings and other social gatherings. And once again, an inspired Pangalay dance. The first lady of Sulu. Once again, I inspired the young dance of Tausug tribe.
Sige. Mga kauliyon. Muna inindo niyo mga kauliyon. Nanawa yun yung kauliyon. Rantok sa katapusan. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Guys.
Batang-batang, namin pa yan batang Ay, kono, are, oh, isa ko lang po.
Feel the breeze of the natural world and be amazed with the works of nature. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Let us now witness the parade of the animal ambassadors.
Chicken! 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 Lala! Dili na si Oran. Muna yung mga kauliol. Show sa mga animal.
My name is Kuya Oy. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center.
Destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission.
Our white-bellied sea eagle. Now, lakas, come here na boy. Ayun na, folks. There you go. What's good, folks? That is lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Locogaster. Loco meaning white, and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them white-bellied sea eagle. Now, white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found sa adult size na sila gas, folks. Now, we may ayun na si Kuya Dexter now. Jack, lipad na boy! There you go. What's good, folks? That or raptor. Raptor came from Latin word rapier, meaning to see. Show you how they handle Kuya Richie Litos merong toy lizard. Now, pagas. And there you go. Now, guys, once they're in flight, they will be non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. Now, folks, Philippine serpent eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. Ayan, free viewing muna kay Pagaspas if you want to take some photos or videos in the Philippines. There you go. At syempre, ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. Ayan, once again, folks, this is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine great hornbill with a scientific name of Busel. And axis meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, torpedoes or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Ready ng ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Kuya Gucci, Kuya Cyril, ready na ba ang ating mga galaw? Now, folks, prepare your cameras, mabilis lang to. At the count, 2, 3, and... Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw. The alarm flag of the rainforest because they ang ating mga kalaw folks. At syempre, we are there you once again guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold pagka with the scientific name of Arati. Okay, 4-year-old child po. Sumagkasing talino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na Zygodacal Fit. What is Zygodacal Fit nga ba? Papakita yan ni Barak. Kadang-kadang. Alright, Barak. Suot. In Backlayan, that is Zygodacal Fit at our folks. 2 in the front, 2 in the back, allowing them to grab items. So march again, boy. Left, right, and good boy. Barak na. High five ka kay Kuya Jimar. Oh, high five. One more. Barak, okay na Barak. Kiss to Kuya Jimar daw, be. Oh, bigyan ng kiss si Kuya Jimar. Sa face niya. Barak, oh, wait lang. Kiss mo na si Kuya Jimar. Okay, one more pa daw Kuya Jimar. Sa kabilang piece pa daw Kuya Jimar, be. Okay, syempre, hindi rin magrahan. We have a biodegradable bed. At i-check ka ni Barak folks kung gumagana ba. Okay, mukha pati ka. Perfect. Alright, now. Mukha at the count of 3 lang pagkabasura. 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay, anong unang kukunin na Barak folks? A piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy na this time. Anong susunod na kukunin ni Barak? A piece of plastic naman. Siyempre, saan nilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable bin. May dalawa pang basura boy. Ngayon, leaf, dahon. Siyempre, saan nilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Nahulog na, Kuya Jimar. Okay, 1 piece of trash boy. Leaf dahon. Okay, isa pa daw. Okay, nahulog. Okay, now. Leaf dahon. Siyempre, saan nilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Balakakan po natin. Alright folks, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po si Barak guys. Okay, na mga maman sir, mga ate, mga kuya, wave bye-bye to Barak po, wave bye-bye Kuya Jimar. Palakpakan po natin silang dalawa folks. Once again, and that is Apollo, our umbrella crescent cockatoo. That is the moonwalking famous by Michael Jackson. So atras ki boy, pakita mo sa pilang kung gano'y kagaling magpunog. O tama na Apollo, baka mapulog ka sa table. Now folks, and this time, let's see his acting skill. Magaling tong umarte si Apollo folks, magaling tong artista. Alright, now Apollo, we do if you see a predator. May agila po, may predator, anong gagawin? Ayan na folks, patay. Good boy, Apollo. That is their natural reaction po. They're doing that in the wild to fool their predators. Magpatay-patayan sila, folks. Okay, one more pa na. Hala, Apollo, andyan yung agila si Tasbo. Anong gagawin? Ayan na, folks. Grabe ka talaga, Apollo. Napaka-dramatic mo talaga, boy. Alright. Now, Apollo, hindi pa tayo tapos, boy, ha? Nag-version folks, okay, dito tayo sa center. Okay, wagi. Sa noon ko yung sir, pogi pa daw, sabi ni Apollo. Mukha daw sa pogi, di makita ba sa kanila, baby? Ulaw. Buti pa si Kuya Michael, no? Okay, never mind. Now, how about me, Apollo? Look at me, boy. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Am I good looking? Talaga Apollo, napaka-bias mo talaga boy. Pag si Kuya Dexter, oo, pag sa akin hindi. Iba talaga, pag trainers na. Okay, syempre, habang dito tayo sa ating mga guests. Babawi ako. Okay, ito daw. Ito daw si nanay. Oh, ayan si nanay. No, Apollo. Look at nanay. Look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si nanay, Apollo? Ayun o, nasarap. Maganda ba daw na? Sabi ni Apollo. Maganda naman talaga si nanay, folks. Okay, how about sa lalaki? Kani si Sir. Kanina ka jersey. Oh, sumpay. Oh, Apollo naka-jersey, good looking. Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir? Ay, naka-jersey oh. Wow! Sana all, Sir. Pogi ka daw, sabi ni Apollo. Okay. Parang Kuya Lex, ba't ako lang yung may iba nang nangyari dyan? Kayo talaga, kulit nyo talaga yung dalawa. O last na lang daw, Ben. Boy, please, pangiwa ko, Apollo. Sige na, boy, look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Okay, folks, huwag na lang natin pilitin sa Apollo, guys. Palakpakan na lang po natin si Apollo, folks. Kuya Lex,